Hi, I'm Devin with Artbeads.com, and I am here with Jeff Elvin, the owner of Dakota Stones. And so I'm so happy to have him here to discuss this newest cut of bead, it's the first time I've ever seen it in the market, and it's a gemstone beads that are in a bicone cut. And so many of our customers have used the Swarovski bicones and other bicone shapes in glass that are fantastic, but these are in semi-precious stones. The faceting is beautiful. The sparkle is great, but what's really neat about how these are done is that they're there's a lot of handmade processes, work that goes into them. So they're not entirely uniform, which I think is a real benefit, because it gives anyone who's making handmade jewelry the ability to work these into their designs and have more of that organic, handmade feel. So can you tell me about this cut? I mean, you mentioned that this has been 4 years in the works.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a labor of love for us at Dakota. We were talking with one of our suppliers, and since it was Swarovski, this had been such a traditional great shape in jewelry making, we thought that adding it into a gemstone line would make it another unique and viable product for us, as well as offering kind of a small, delicate design product for people to use. So you get down into doing it, and the struggle we ran into and why it came as a 4-year project is that we were not able to develop any kind of products or process or machine to do this, so that we just went down and did it as a hand faceted product. So you can see where this is just individually cut. Each one of these beads are gone through and put on a stick, and each one of these facets is hand done on each bead, and so the amount of time it spends on the grinder, the amount of time it spends on the polisher will change the size and the makeup of the bead, and that's why you get the variation of size. And as you said, the organic look, I think, that goes along with that is a nice design attribute.
No, definitely. I can definitely see some of these pieces being worked into some boho designs, and it's a nice variety of stone types that we carry. And these are all in the size is about 3 millimeters. Of course, it's not always going to be perfect because they are handmade.
Correct.
But I think they can be really great elements especially in some of the more delicate pieces. Yep. What are the different stone types that we're seeing here?
The first run we did, we wanted to make them in traditional stone types that people would recognize, or they might align with birthstones. And so you're starting down here with a black onyx and moving into garnet. What month is garnet? Is that January? Anybody? Wow, is that my job?
Yep.
Amethyst, moving up the line. This is a multi-tourmaline where you get that nice different banding of pinks, greens, blacks. Citrine, peridot, a natural lapis. This one has not been treated at all.
That's beautiful.
Blue apatite. Then we have a white moonstone and just a clear crystal quartz. So this is a natural rock as well. All of these are, in fact, natural. There is no treatment that goes into them. So.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, they're really beautiful. It's really, while on our website, on Artbeads, we try to provide the best images we possibly can, but I don't think images can possibly do these strands justice. I mean, you see these in person and they're amazing. I mean, they look, the quality is just fantastic. So anyway, thank you for bringing these on and allowing Artbeads to sell them. I think that they're going to be extremely popular. We're already seeing a lot of excitement around them. So thank you very much.
Well, great. You're welcome.
All right, thanks.